Hello dear students, this is the second video of this week, class 8th. In this video, I will start a new chapter. I will start chapter number 2, spreadsheet formulas and functions. In the previous class, you can see we have discussed about character user interface, graphical user interface, difference between CUI and GUI, operating systems for mobile devices. These are the topics of chapter 1 which has been completed. So coming to a new chapter, this is chapter number 2, spreadsheet formulas and functions. In this chapter, we will discuss the following topics. We will first discuss what is a spreadsheet. Second, introduction to formula in Excel. Third, elements of a formula, cell references, operators, constants, and functions. So we will discuss these topics. So coming to the first topic, what is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is an electronic document in which data is arranged in rows and columns of a grid and can be manipulated and used in calculations. How the data are arranged? The data is arranged in rows and columns so that we can manipulate the data and we can do the calculations. Now, there can be many examples of a spreadsheet. In Linux operating system, there is one spreadsheet. In Windows operating system, there is a spreadsheet. So in Windows operating system, the spreadsheet is known as MS Excel. In Windows operating system, in Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10, the spreadsheet software is known as MS Excel. So what is MS Excel? MS Excel is an electronic spreadsheet application software. It is a type of spreadsheet application software. It can be used to quickly record and manipulate large amount of numerical data and convert it into useful and meaningful information. Now, here are the two words, data and information. You can have a look here. First word is data and second one is information. What is information? What is data and what is information? Data means raw facts and figures. Raw facts and figures which have no meaning. But information means meaningful data. The meaningful data is termed as information. So what is Excel? It is an electronic spreadsheet application software and it can be used to quickly record and manipulate large amount of numerical data and convert it into useful and meaningful information. So you can do many types of calculation in MS Excel. A lots of formula is, you can use a lots of formula in MS Excel, which are predefined formulas, and you can even develop your own formulas in MS Excel. Now coming to next topic. Introduction to formula in Excel. A formula in Excel must begin with an equal to sign. Always in MS Excel, the formula always starts with equal to sign. A formula in MS Excel can contain the following things: cell references, operators, constants, and functions. Now, first you see how you can open MS Excel. You know very well how to open MS Excel. You have to click on a start menu and you can search MS Excel. Okay, you can go down and you can search MS Excel. Here you can see MS Excel is there. But in Windows 7 operating system, you have to click on a start, then click on all programs, then you have to click on Microsoft Office, MS Office. Inside Office, MS Office is a package which contains many software like MS Word. MS Office also contains MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Picture Manager, etc. Okay, so these are the softwares which are made by Microsoft company. Okay, and Microsoft company has launched MS Office software, many versions of MS Office, MS Office 2010, MS Office 2013, MS Office 2016, etc. So inside MS Office package, there are many softwares, MS PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Picture Manager, etc. So here you have to click on MS Excel, Microsoft Excel. The Excel page will open in front of you. This is the, when you open MS Excel, this type of page will open. You can see it is a grid of horizontal rows and vertical columns. These are known as horizontal rows and these are known as vertical columns. You can see these are known as vertical columns. So this is column E, this is column G, this is column H, okay, and so on. And horizontal rows, this is row number 1, this is row number 4, okay. Now coming to the topic, first is cell reference. A formula in MS Excel can contain the following things. In formula, in MS Excel formula, okay, it has the following things. First is cell reference. Second is operators. Third one is constants. And fourth one is functions. These are the components of a formula. Okay, a formula contains these things. Now, you can see elements of a formula. These are the elements of a formula. So first coming to cell references. Cell references, they are the address of the cells that contains values to be used in calculations, such as A5 or A1 is A1 colon B2. So these are the address of the cells that contains values which is to be calculated. Okay. You can see they are the address of the cells that contains values. So where are the address of the cell? You can see if you click on this cell, one selected, this is known as selected cell. Okay, this is known as another cell. How you can give name to your cell? Suppose you have selected this column. Okay, you see this is column number B and row number 2. You have to say B2. You can see this value here. B2 is written. So this is your cell number. Okay, this is your cell number. And this is the address of the cell. Okay, so you can say this is the cell reference B2. This is the another cell address. It is, what is the address? It is C3. You can see cell number C and row number 3. So it is C3. It in the same way you can find it is E5, cell number E and row number 5. Okay. So what is cell reference? Cell reference are the address of the cells that contain values to be used in calculations. So these are the address of the cells. So you can say this is the cell reference. Cell reference is E5. Okay. And suppose you have selected two cells. Okay. In formula, you have to use, okay, I will show you later. Suppose you have to add some values. Cell number B contains 20 and cell number C contains 30. You have to add both the values. So what you will use in formula? In formula, you will write equals to sum and you will use the values in bracket. Okay. One minute. What is the value in this cell? This cell is 30. And suppose here you have to calculate the total. You will write the formula equals to sum, and you will write inside the bracket B2 colon C2, and after writing the formula you press enter key. Now here the sum has been calculated. So you can see you have used this formula, and what is the cell reference? Cell reference is B2 is to C2, B2 colon C2. Okay, it means both the cells has been selected. When you write here B2 colon C2, it means both the cells B2 and C2, both the cells has been selected. So this is known as cell reference. Now coming to next topic, what are operators? Second one is operators. You can see there are 4 elements of a formula: cell reference, operators, constants, and functions. So you have understood about cell reference. These are the selected cells which is used in calculations. These are the address of the cells that contain some values to be used in calculations. Now next one is operators. What are operators? They specify the type of operation you want to perform. Which type of operation you want to perform? Either you want to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Okay, so these are the operators in Excel. Some commonly used operators in formulas are given below: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Means which operation you want to perform on numbers. Okay, so these are operators. If you have to do addition, you have to use plus sign. If you have to do subtraction, you have to use this sign. If you have to do multiplication, you have to use asterisk sign. For multiplication, there is no multiplication sign in Excel. You have to use this asterisk sign for multiplication. And for division, you have to use this sign, this forward slash sign. Okay. Now next element is constant. Constant are the numbers or text values that can be entered directly in the formula, such as 5 or Amar. Any text which you have written, that is a constant. Any number which you have written, that is a constant. So these are numbers or text values. Now last one is functions. Functions are the predefined formulas in MS Excel. In MS Excel, there are many predefined formulas which are used for various purposes, like sum function, minimum function, min function, min, to find the minimum value, today function to find the date, okay, etc. Average function is there. Many functions are there, and you can also design your own function according to your requirement. Understood? So you have understood all the 4 elements of a formula: cell reference, cell references, operators, constants, and functions. In the next class, I will discuss types of formula, that is basic formula and compound formula. So I hope you have understood this topic. Okay, thank you, student.